Welcome to stage 3 of your final project, which is really about community asset mapping. In this stage, what you're going to do is you are going to list all of the specific community assets that exist within the community that you've selected. All right. So I want you to first start with the easiest to locate, which are the schools, the hospitals, the churches, and then look for things such as community and business or associations, religious organizations. You can also look for the public agencies, so like police stations, then public and nonprofit organizations. But the real goal is for you to, within that geographic area, the community area, I want you to list as many what you would call social institutions as you possibly can. And really, these are the social institutions that really in some way or another have a major impact upon the vitality of this community that you've selected. So after you've taken a major list, I want you to look at the location of each one of these groups, or where they're situated within the community area, and then I want you to write a 2-page paper to kind of explain what types of community associations and community groups exist within that community area that you selected, and then list the types of challenges that each one is trying to solve. All right. Sometimes it's easier for you to start off by making a list of the community groups, and then right next to it, what types of issues are they there to solve. And then in another column, you can start making connections. All right, you can maybe develop a broader classification, but you can start to make connections. And then I want you to identify examples and times of when these community assets have actually come together to solve a community challenge. So maybe sometimes when something large happens in the community, maybe it's to address an urban planning challenge, or maybe it's they come together formally maybe once a month for their regular meetings. But I want you to research and try to see what was the last issue, or what were the last couple of issues that brought these community groups out, and then what was the outcome. All right, how effective are they for helping to shape the parameters of the community? And something important here is that not all of these groups are working together. Some are competitors with one another. So always be conscious of that as well. And then I want you to really try to harness and see, get a good handle on what the strength and the resiliency of these community organizations. What are their strengths, and are they able to come together to really drive really the direction of the community as you move forward? In terms of community development, in terms of addressing social issues, in terms of really bringing the community forward together to move forward on particular community development challenges. All right.